Yo, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Phenom, and I got another ThreadBeast unboxing. And I'm gonna do what I've been doing, but I'm gonna try to get an angle into the box so y'all can see it as soon as I see it. Y'all can see it like from my perspective. This the third box, so let's get into it. Okay, let's get it popping. Let's see what's in here. First thing I'm seeing is blue. Okay. We got some champion. We got a champion shirt last time. That was pretty sweet. This one is pretty plain. I like it though. I like the gray on the collar and the gray on the you know what I'm saying, on the neckline. It's a nice blue. I like that. I like that. It's simple, but it's nice though. I can't complain. All right, we got some khaki shorts here. Or no, these are, I kind of like these. They like khaki pants, but you see down here. So it's like a slim cut, almost like some joggers. I need to see how they fit, but I'm rocking with that. Jeans, boom, 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 boom. Black jeans are the worst to me. I don't know why they keep sending me jeans, bro. And they actually slid some shoes in this little box. I was not expecting shoes, especially not Pumas. I have never had a pair of Pumas before. So this should be interesting. Slim cut jeans, though. I don't like jeans. I want to be comfortable. We're going to save these shoes for the end, though. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, we got a grizzly tee. Yeah, I like that. I like that. You know, it seems like it's fairly simple, but I'm still rocking with it. Grizzly's pretty cool. Diamond white tee. Not bad. I like it. It's cool. And then we got some socks. We got some champion socks. They red. So now I got some blue socks. I got some blue and yellow socks. I got some like blue socks. Some socks that's just blue. And now I got some red socks. So I'm all over the map with the sock game. Now let's see about these Pumas. This feels mad light. Let's see. Casual kicks. What y'all think? I guess they not bad for Pumas. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily go to the store and get them myself, but I'll rock these though. And I do happen to really love gray. So let's try some of this stuff out. Yeah, this is the first fit. I ain't even a big fan of black jeans, but they fit good. It's comfy, you know what I'm saying? Nice little graphic tee, but what I'm really liking the most is these shoes. Funny enough to say, these shoes are comfortable. They're mad comfortable. I'm liking them. Yeah. So far, I think I like the shoes more than anything, which is crazy because I'm an Adidas head. Like, I love Adidas, but these Pumas is pretty, pretty nice. Real quick with the Grizzly tee, shirts I got in this box aren't really anything special. It just seemed like some cannon fodder that I could just throw in the closet that I could just mix and match with certain stuff. But it's all stuff I wear, so I can't really complain to the next outfit. Nah, this is the last fit, the champion shirt with the like khakis with the cuff on the bottom, you know what I'm saying? These khakis is kind of schmedium. You know what I'm saying? They kind of schmedium. But sometimes I kind of like stuff that's on the fitted side. You know what I mean? And they feel like, they've been cut like by the tailor for me. Like these boys is just fitting on me. So I don't know. I like them though. I like the champion shirt. But I gotta say the star of this box, surprisingly enough, are the Pumas. I'm really surprised. Like they got like soft foam, like some type of soft foam technology, and it's like walking on a cloud. Yes, yes. I wish I didn't get black jeans. Jeans aren't really my favorite right now. But they look good on me. So I guess I can't really complain too much. It could be worse, but I think this box justifies another month. They've been doing pretty good the last couple boxes. And I mean, I'm gonna wear these because they're comfortable as shit. So these is, you know what I mean? And they so much better than them flip flops. They gave me some hard flip flops in that first box, and these is just, oh man, these are comfortable like my Adidas slides. You know what I'm saying? So to where I'm definitely gonna rock these. But I'm glad I can get this video out to y'all. I've been busy all week. I done got this box like 4 days ago. But I was so busy with class and everything, but I'm gonna be back at y'all again next month with the ThreadBeast box. Just be patient. I'll holla at y'all later. For now, I'm out.